নলি আমি বলি কি অবস্থা, এরকম তো ছিল না, এরকম হলো কিভাবে? আপনার
I'm not speaking. Wait here. Not at all speaking. hear me? Can you hear me now? Please respond. Can you hear my voice? ఇప్పుడు వద్దునన్నా. Now can you hear me? Now okay na? Yes. Okay. Wait 1 minute. You wait. We'll start. 1 minute. You wait. Okay. Hi everyone. Can you hear me? So I think in the last class we discussed about loops. Yes or no? See, first of all, here we already know about data. What is data means? Data is collection of raw facts. So whenever you want to perform any operations on data, we need to store the data. In order to store the data, we require some memory. This memory is basically divided into two types: temporary memory and permanent memory. Temporary memory means RAM. Permanent memory means hard disk. So if you want to store the data permanently, in any programming languages or scripting languages, the memory will be allocated on RAM. If you want to perform any operations on data, we need to store the data on RAM. So here the data will be stored in variable or array or object or collection. Is it clear? Can you hear my voice, everyone? I'm shouting. So in any languages like C, C++, Java, C#, .NET, the memory for the data will allocate on RAM. If you want to store a single value, variable is required. If you want to store multiple values of same data type, that is if you want to store homogeneous values, array is required. If you want to store heterogeneous values, object is required. If you want to store group of objects, collection is required. Whatever it may be, our main target is to store the data. In order to store the data, we require some memory. How much memory is required was decided by data type. So here, what is object? Object is used to store group of values. Is it clear? For example, I want to store one employee data, like employee number, employee name, and salary. This is one object. Object consists of variables and functions. Variable purpose is to store the value. Function purpose is to perform operations. So generally here objects are basically divided into two types. One is predefined objects. Other one is user defined objects. Predefined objects are window object and document object. Window object, document object. These two comes under predefined objects. Is it clear? And math object. There are different types of objects are available. Object consists of variables and functions. In JavaScript, there are no classes. Only directly objects are there. So mostly your object consists of functions. Predefined functions are there. Predefined objects consists of predefined functions. User-defined object consists of variables as well as functions. Okay now. So here you see window is the object name. Alert, confirm, prompt. These three are predefined functions. These three are predefined functions under window object. Write, get element by ID, get element by name. These three are predefined functions in document object. Seal, floor, round, square root. These are the predefined functions in math object. Okay. So if you want to access these functions, you can access by using object name. Syntax to access the function is object name dot function name of. Example, window dot alert of, window dot confirm of, window dot prompt of. Window is the top level object. Document dot write, document dot get element by ID, document dot get element by name. Similarly, here you have there is one predefined object called math. Here you have some functions are there: seal, floor, round, square root. So what is the purpose of reference variable means accessibility. If you want to access these functions, you can access by using object name. These all are object names: window, document, math. Math dot floor, math dot seal, math dot round, math dot square root. Are you following everyone? Did you understood? Now here you see. Now today we're discussing about this math object. JavaScript math object allows you to perform mathematical tasks or numbers. See, one point you have to understand. Yesterday we discussed about loops. In order to do some set of programs in the loops, in order to do some set of programs, what type of programs, write a program to find the sum of the digits for a given 4-digit number. 4-digit number. If I ask you, let us assume the number is 4532. Sum is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Similarly, write a program to find the sum of middle digits. Write a program to find the sum of middle digits for a given 4-digit number. If the number is 4532, 4532, 5 plus 3, answer will be 8. Similarly, write a program to find the write a program to find the sum of first digit and last digit. First digit and last digit. Okay, now for example, if I give the number 4532, 4 plus 2, answer will be 6. Write a program to find the sum of even digits. Write a program to find the sum of even digits. Even digits for a given 4-digit number. For example, if the number is 2346, even digits 2 plus 4 plus 6, answer is 12. Similarly, write a program to find the sum of odd digits. These all are comes under one category programs. Sum of odd digits for a given 4-digit number. 1354 means 1 plus 3 plus 5. How much? 9. Similarly, write a program to count the number of even digits for a given 4-digit number. 3456. Number of even digits are how many? 2 even digits are there. Write a program to count the number of odd digits. These all programs comes under one category. Number of odd digits for a given 4-digit, 1346. So 2. Number of odd digits are 2. Number of odd digits are 2. Write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Armstrong number or not. Armstrong number means what? Armstrong number means sum of the cubes of the digits. Sum of the cubes of the digits is equal to given number. Is equal to given number. 153 means 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Okay, now here you can write something like this: 1 cube. Okay, na plus 3 cube plus 5 cube. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. It will give you how much? 153 only. It is an Armstrong number. Write a program to reverse the given number. Reverse the given number. For example, 1441 or 1443. Reverse 3441. Write a program to check whether the given number is palindrome or not. Palindrome or not. Palindrome means sum of given number is equal to reverse number. Given number is equal to reverse number. 1441 is palindrome. Are you following, everyone? So in order to solve the above programs, about 10 programs, in order to solve the above 10 programs, is it clear? We must follow 2 steps. Follow 2 steps. One is number modulus 10, other one is number by 10. And if you know one technique, you can solve 10 programs. These all 10 programs, only one technique is required. That is number modulus 10, other one is number by 10. All the programs you can solve if you have the knowledge on these 2 techniques. One is number modulus 10, other one is what? Number by 10. So when to use number modulus 10? If you want to identify the units place digit, number modulus 10. If you want to identify units place digit, we will use number modulus 10. Number by 10. If we want to remove if you want to separate the units place digit, separate or remove the units place digit from the given number, then we have to use number by 10. Did you understand, everyone? So 10 programs are written. All these 10 programs, only one formula. Number modulus 10, number by 10. Number modulus 10 is used to identify the units place digit. Number by 10 is used to remove the units place digit. Okay, separate the units place digit. One point what I want to tell here is, okay, generally units place means what here? 2345 if I give. Here 2 is thousands place, 3 is hundreds place, 4 is tens place, 5 is ones place. Ones place are also called as units place. Is it clear? So if you want to remove the units place digit from the given 4-digit number, then use number by 10. If you want to identify the units place digit, number modulus 10. Are you following? So here I will ask you, what is, I already told you yesterday, what is the difference between by and modulus? Here you can simply tell by will gives us quotient. By will gives us quotient. And modulus will give us remainder. Modulus will give us remainder. Is it clear? Generally 7 by 3. If I give 7 by 2, what is the numerator? 7. Denominator is 2. 2 3 is 6. Okay, na? And here you can write something like remainder is 1. Here you can keep point 0. And here you can keep 0. Sorry, 2 5s are how much? 10. Okay, na? So here you can see the remainder is 0. This is what happening in any programming language. See here in C language, comma C++, comma Java, C#.NET. Okay, now here I can write something like int by int is equal to int. Means 7 by 3 answer is 3. 7 by 2 answer is 3. But in JavaScript or Python, you can write something like this. Int by int is equal to perfect value. Is it clear? Is equal to perfect value, something like this. And int by int and kaadu, by will gives the perfect result. And the 7 by 2 answer will be 3.5 in JavaScript. You cannot tell something like this int by int, but here you will get 3.5. But if you get the answer in decimal point, means we cannot solve these problems. You must get the quotient and remainder. But JavaScript will not give you the perfect quotient and remainder. It will always give you what? JavaScript will always give you the perfect value. So in order to do all these programs, we need to identify the units place digit. So I don't want the float value. I want the integer value. In that case, what to do? We have to use some math functions in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, we have one predefined object, that is math object. This math object consists of some predefined functions are there. First, we'll discuss about these functions. So math object allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Here you can see, first of all, you can see the function name is round function. This function returns the value of x rounded to its nearest integer. If I write 4.7, and if the decimal point value is greater than 5 or greater than 5, it will round the value to the next number, next nearest integer. So math.round of 4.7, answer is 5, because the nearest integer value for 4 is 5. Math.round of 4.4, answer is 4. The nearest value is what? 4. Are you following? Here you have round function will be there. Is it clear? Are you following, everyone? Yeah, approximate value, round. Okay, now similarly power function. This function is used to find the power of the given number. Math.power of x comma y. 2 comma 3 means 2 power 3. Is it clear? Round function, square root. Square root function is 5. Absolute, ABS function. These all are the mathematical functions used to perform mathematical operations. Yes or no? ABS function. ABS function, it is used to remove the sign of the given number. ABS of minus 4.7, that minus is removed. Now these two are very, very important. Ceiling and flooring, very, very important. Ceiling means what? Top value. Flooring means nearest value, bottom value. For example, if I write 4.5, 4.5 value exists between what? 4.0 and 4.5 value exists between 4.0 and 5.0. 4.0 and 5.0. This 4.5 value exists between 4.0 and what? 5.0. Are you following, everyone? Now flooring will always, floor means it will always display the nearest value. Seal means ceiling and the top. Floor means bottom. So here if I ask you, seal of 4.0, what is the answer? 4.5. Answer is 5. Floor of 4.5, answer is what? 4. This is very, very important. Floor will always give the nearest bottom value. Seal will always give the top value. Did you understand, everyone? See here, if I write. Now you tell me floor of 3.5. What is the answer? Floor of 3.5. What is the answer? 3.5 exists between 3.0 and 4.0. Floor of 3.5. What is the answer? 3. Very good. Seal of 3.5. First. Seal of 3.5. 4. Yes, very good. Floor of 5.7. Floor of 5.7. 5. Yes. Yes. 5. 5. Floor of 3.7. Floor of 5.7. 5. Seal of 5.7. 6. So now this is very, very important. We'll use this technique, math.floor we will use to do all the 10 programs. Because directly if you use by and modulus, by will gives us quotient decimal value. But I want the integer value. So here you see math.seal returns the value of x rounded up to its nearest integer. Seal of 4.4. Answer is 5. Floor of 4.4. Okay, na? Floor of 4.4. Answer is what? Floor of 4.4. Answer is 4. This is very, very important to do our programs now. Did you understand? Object concept, variables and functions. If you want to access the functions, object name is required. Objects are basically divided two types: predefined objects and user-defined objects. Predefined objects are window object as well as document object, math object. These all are predefined objects. Okay, na? Predefined objects. Okay, if you want to access math, if you want to access the functions, you can access by using object name. Math.seal, math.floor, math.round, math.square root, window. All these things. Are you following, everyone? ABS will return positive value. Yes, yes. This is about similarly min and max function. Min and max can be used to find the lowest or highest value in the given range. If I give some values 0, 150, 30, 20, some list of values are given. I want to return the minimum value. So math.min of minus 200. It will return the minimum value. Yes. It will not decrease. Yeah. Ceiling means top. It will return the top value. Floor means nearest bottom value. You can remember however is comfortable for you. Math.random. If you want to generate a random number, we can use random function. It will generate always a new random number will be generated. That's what I'm telling here. See here 7/2 is equal to 3.5. JavaScript. In JavaScript, maths, Python, TypeScript, you will get 3.5. Java, C#, C, C++, you will get 3. Math is object name. Math is object name. Random, max, round, seal, these all are functions. In JavaScript, there is no classes actually. All are objects only. Object consists of functions and variables. You can access the functions by using object name. So object name is math.round, math.min, math.max, math.random, all these things. Did you understand, everyone? That is not required for you here. It was designed something like that. JavaScript is designed something like that. No classes. Directly objects are available. You think that the class is there and create the object. That's it. No classes in JavaScript. The programming language is designed something like that. That is the main drawback in JavaScript. That is why TypeScript came. It supports all the features of OOPS. So JavaScript is not object-oriented programming language. Okay, na? It just supports objects to store data. How you declare the variable, in the same manner you can create object and directly to store the data. Okay, no classes in JavaScript. I told you now how to create object means like this. You have to create object. This is object creation. Storing the JSON format, something like this. Storing the data in the object. JavaScript will not run on server side. JavaScript will run on browser. JavaScript will run on browser. It will not run on server side. Java.NET, Python, they will run on server side. Okay. Now here you see. In JavaScript, by will perform float division. In JavaScript, by will perform float division. If you want to make by to perform int division, we have to use floor function. By default, by will perform float division. If you want to make the by to perform int division, you have to use what? Floor. It is used to perform int division. Understand everyone? For example, where x is equal to 7 by 2, document dot write of x. What is the answer? Can anyone tell? Can anyone tell the answer for that? 3.5, yes. Okay, now, but if I want to make here, you see one example I have given. Document dot write of math dot round of 4.5. Answer is what? Tell the answer for the first point. Math dot round of 4.5. 4.5 means 5. Yes. Math dot power of 2.3. 8. Math dot just document dot write of 7 by 2. Document dot write of 7 by 2. What is the answer? 3.5. Very good. Math dot floor of 7 by 2. 3. Very good. Yes. So mostly in order to solve all these programs, what I have mentioned, we have to use math dot floor of. Did you got clarity, everyone? In JavaScript, otherwise you will not get the approximate output. Did you understand? Math dot floor of. Here you see one program I will show you. Write a program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. Is it clear? Write a program to here I have written some programs. Let us see here all of you. I have written some programs. You can say I'll send this file also. You can see here all of you. Okay, that's what I told you yesterday. Loop is a mechanism of executing some set of statements repeatedly again and again until the condition becomes false. Loops are basically divided into two types: range-based loop and condition-based loop. For loop comes under range-based loop. While loop comes under condition-based loop. If you know the range, go for loop. If you don't know the range, go for while loop. So simply if I ask what is a number? Number is a digit or combination of digits. Number is a digit or combination of digits. Is it clear? Different types of numbers are single digit number, double digit number, triple digit number. Okay, now. So here I ask, write a program to identify the units place digit. Two formulas are very, very important. Any language, the syntax will not change. One is number modulus 10, other one is number by 10. One is number modulus 10, other one is number by 10. By will gives us quotient, modulus will gives us remainder. I am talking about for loop. Why you are asking about while and do while loop? I don't understand here your attitude, people. Today is not last class now. Or irrelevant questions you'll ask. Write this, see this one. Write a program to check whether given number is Armstrong number or not. Let us see what is Armstrong number. Armstrong number means sum of the cubes of the digits is equal to given number. Then that number is Armstrong number. These all are the different numbers. We'll do 1 or 2 days. It will take to complete the total loops. So in order to write the set of programs, you must have the knowledge on what? By and what? Modulus. By will gives us what? Quotient. Modulus will gives us what? Remainder. Is it clear? Here you see. I asked you one question here. Write a program to find the units place digit for the given 4-digit number. So I given the number where number is equal to 4352, number modulus 2. Okay, na number modulus 2 means here what is the output? 4352 modulus 2. I think you will get what? I think you will get which value? 435. No. 435 to 10. 4. Reminder will come. Reminder. By will gives us reminder. Write a program to find the sum of the digits for the given 4-digit number. Sum of the digits for the given 4-digit number. Here you can say. So first of all, you must have the knowledge on this PDLC. Then today anyway I will send this file. All of you try to prepare this one. Tomorrow we'll discuss some set of other programs also. I'll send these 2 files to you. Programs only I will send. You once prepare. Tomorrow I will revise. No problem. Today you just watch this program. So loops and math. Once study, all of you study this. Use that math function. If anyone have the total notes, please prepare the material. Okay. This batch is started 20 days back. Now you're asking WhatsApp group link. No WhatsApp group link for this. Okay. I forwarded, once check. If anybody want, you please post this one in World of Angular group. There you can get this material if you want. Just go to, yeah, this is World of Angular. There you can post. And please join to that group. Yeah, FB post I will share. World of Angular group. For material you can check there. Okay, na? Thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue. Bye. Bye.